Number 5. In the world of numbers. Now, let's see, are you studied 1 to 100 numbers? See, this is the chart of 1 to 100 numbers. There are already a few numbers given in this count. Let's complete the number chart. Speaking 1 to 100 numbers. Now, look at the chain. The starting and last at the chain. The starting and last digit of the chain has been given. Complete the chain by filling the correct numbers in the middle beat. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So, now you practice different numbers with each other.